Hey guys, it's Mark here from markdt.net, and so today I'm going to be talking about trim tips. So looking at college/university, what I see a lot of people doing is not taking advantage of all the trim commands. So for example, if we had this complex polygon here and we wanted to trim everything on the outside, what I would see a lot of people doing is they'd select each individual line, then go for the trim, and it's not a very nice process. Or maybe they'd select a few lines and then go for the trim on the outside. Either way, it involves a few steps that aren't so needed. One tip that I'm proposing people look at is to go trim, and then if you press spacebar again, it will select all the objects in the scene. So once you do that, you don't need to individually select each line to trim from, and you can just go ahead and start trimming. From this, if you accidentally make a mistake or in any of the trim commands, you can press U and you will undo the last command. So U. Okay, so another trim thing that we can do is trim, then select all, spacebar again, and then use fence. So press F is for fence, and what fence does is it will trim all the objects that the fence touches. So I just go around the perimeter, spacebar, ta-da, trimming everything. Beautiful. But if you are really so inclined that you want to select the object that you're trimming from, and you have an object like this, what you can do is first type in TR for trim, then you can use you can use any of the selection commands. In this case, a good selection command I think would be WP for Windows Polygon. And then you can go in and select the interior shape, and then once you have the interior shape, you press spacebar again to go trim from, and then you can start trimming. Another quick handy tip is if you hold shift, you can extend the lines, so you don't actually need to type in EX if you want to extend. Yeah. Alright, bonus. This is the big bonus that is so cool, and it's not trim, instead it's called Extrim. And Extrim defines a border or region in which to trim all objects from one side. So in this case, if I'm to join all these lines and make an enclosed boundary, I can easily trim the outside using Extrim. I select all the lines which are considered a polyline, type in Extrim, and select which side of the polygon I wish to delete. If I select the outside, it deletes everything on the outside, and if I select the inside, it deletes everything on the inside. Magic. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Ciao!